The fastest way to boost vegetable harvest by nearly 40% doesn't involve fancy tools or high-tech compost systems. It starts with something most people toss into the trash every week: plain cardboard. When soaked and layered directly on the ground like a lasagna, cardboard turns everyday kitchen waste into rich, living soil. No bins to buy, no turning, no mess. In just one season, dull scraps and shipping boxes transform into dark earth packed with worms. And surprisingly, this simple approach consistently beats even the most expensive compost tumblers. Understanding why will permanently change how you garden. Begin with any patch of ground: grass, weeds, bare dirt, or even compacted clay. There is no digging required. Cover a 4 by 8 foot area with plain corrugated cardboard overlapping the sheets so no light gets through. Aim for a thickness of 2 to 3 inches, usually 6 to 10 flattened boxes. Once in place, soak the cardboard thoroughly. For a bed this size, use about 7 gallons of water, roughly 2 gallons per square yard. The cardboard should feel heavy and flexible, like a wrung-out sponge, not dripping or falling apart. Next comes the green layer. Spread 4 inches of kitchen scraps, grass clippings, or fresh garden trimmings directly on top of the wet cardboard. That's roughly the thickness of your hand when pressed flat. There's no need to chop everything finely. Worms and microbes handle the breakdown. Repeat the process with another soaked cardboard layer, followed by more greens. Keep alternating until the pile reaches around 18 inches tall or until materials run out. Always finish with a dry brown layer, cardboard, straw, or leaves to hold moisture in and keep odors out. Give the stack a final gentle watering until everything settles evenly. What you've built is a soft, breathable compost bed that begins breaking down immediately. No turning, no special tools, no equipment. With these proportions, the bed is often ready for planting in just a few months using nothing more than recycled boxes and kitchen scraps. To see if this method truly worked, volunteers in an urban community garden ran a side-by-side test. 12 identical raised beds were prepared. 6 used the cardboard layering method, while 6 relied on high-quality compost from traditional tumblers. All beds received the same sunlight and water with no added fertilizer. By season's end, the difference was striking. Cardboard beds produced 22 pounds of tomatoes per bed, compared to 15.5 in the controls. Bush beans yielded 10.2 pounds versus 7.1. Lettuce counts reached 45 heads compared to 32. Soil tests showed organic matter climbing from 2% to 3.2%. Water infiltration tripled, and earthworm numbers jumped from 3 per shovel to 18. Extension soil scientist Dr. Anna R. explains why this works so well. Soaked corrugated cardboard creates an airy sponge beneath the surface. Its ridges trap both water and oxygen, creating ideal conditions for beneficial microbes and earthworms. As scraps decompose above, moisture remains stable below, preventing sour anaerobic conditions. Worms tunnel through the layers, mixing and aerating the soil while enriching it with nutrient-rich castings. The result is faster decomposition, fewer weeds, minimal odor, and dramatically improved soil health. One backyard gardener, James, experienced the difference firsthand. After years of struggling with a rusting $400 compost tumbler, his best tomato harvest was 14 pounds. Last spring, he switched to cardboard layering using free boxes and scraps. By August, his harvest reached 20 pounds, over 40% more. His total cost was under $5 and maintenance dropped to occasional watering. The takeaway is simple: expensive equipment isn't necessary. When used correctly, plain cardboard only, soaked thoroughly, layered properly, this method delivers faster harvests, healthier soil, and less waste. The evidence is clear. Simple materials can outperform costly systems, reshaping how home composting is done.